Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World. Today we're going to review the top 3 fitness watch faces, and this one, number 1, is nice. I like the look. I like the design of this one. The name of it is called Health Dashboard. In the AOD mode, you're going to get a simple digital time. That's it. That's all. Now, once the watch face is on, I do like the look so far as the fitness watch face is concerned. Now, you get your heart rate information. You get a nice big bold digital time with a PM stamp. You're going to get your step status. You're going to get your step information. You're going to also get your battery info over here as well. I do like this look where the weather is. I thought that was a nice touch. And you're going to also get your day and your date. So all in all, this is not a bad look at all. Now, I could tap here and I can go into my different workout modes if I'm going to be on my bike, if I'm going to be swimming, lifting weights. Now, depending on what I'm doing, I could tap into that and go into my workout modes. And I can go into my heart rate information, right? This is what it lets me do. And I can't go into anything else. So far as this watch face is concerned, I thought it could have had a few more features added. One being, I like listening to music when I'm walking or working out. That's not here. You're not able to go into your step info at all, calories burned, miles walked, ran, none of that you can get into. But again, remember people, it's a free watch face. Other than that, what do you think? All right, you all, let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2 is called Bloomin'. Bloomin' is nice, simple, but yet nice. Now, in the AOD mode, you are gonna get a simple digital time with a nice black background. Once the watch face is on, I love the simplicity. You're gonna get a nice big bold digital time. You're gonna get your date at the top. You're gonna also get 3 dials. It's going to give you your step status info. You're going to get your miles walked, ran, and your heart rate. And it is interactive, so if I tap here, I can go into my heart rate status info. If I tap here, I can get info, my calories burned, steps, floors climbed, sleep, stress information. And also if I tap here, I can get my step status. And this is not a bad look at all. I thought it was a nice watch face, especially considering that the watch face is free. Now, what I wish I could do is the custom color coordinate. I wish I could change the color of the background to color coordinate with whatever it is that I may have on for the day, whether I'm in red, blue, black, orange. But again, all in all, it's a free watch face, so it is still A-OK. All right, you all, let's go ahead and check out watch face number 3. All right, you all, watch face number 3. Number 3 is nice for a fitness watch face. This is definitely a good look. Now, the name of the watch face is called Galaxy Analog 04 Minimalist Simple Analog. This is a nice fitness watch face to have on your wrist, and if you're going to be dressing to impress, I think you can get away with dressing up in this watch face. If you look at the watch face in the AOD mode, it has such a premium, elegant look to it. I thought it looked really nice with that black background. Now, once the watch face is on, I do like the analog theme of this one. I like the look of the index. I like the traditional look. I like the premium look of the hands. You got a nice traditional second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch as well. Going to get your heart rate info, battery info here, step at the bottom, and also your date. Now, it is interactive, so if I tap on my heart rate, I can get my heart rate info. Same thing if I need to see my battery info bigger. And here, I can get my step status info as well. Again, I thought this was a good look for a free watch face. Now, also what you could do, if I tap right here, I can change the color theme of the background. It keeps it black, but it darkens it. Now it gives it a totally different look. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Listen, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on these watch faces. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to the channel so you can be notified when I drop more videos like this one. All right, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.